Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Dropbox files. So in order to delete Dropbox files, what you need to do is head over to this website dropbox.com and then just click on all files right here, and then right here you'll find all your files. We can right now see I only have one file right here, it's a picture, and if I want to delete it, what I can simply do is hover over that picture, click on those three little dots, then click right here at delete, and then click on delete again. Now what you need to do, if you actually want to permanently delete it, is head over into deleted files here at the top left corner of your screen. And then right here you will see that this file is literally the one we just deleted. And then to delete it, just click on the check mark right here. And then what you need to do is make sure you click on permanently delete. Click on permanently delete. And that's all you need to do in order to delete files over on Dropbox. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.